make for you my secret apple pie. It's so simple. It's really, really simple. And what's really great about my apple pie is you can use ingredients that you can get anywhere at any supermarket at any time. It's not one of those pies that you can only do when it's in season. Everything is from a can, but we add some special ingredients to make it taste so good. People will think you were peeling and cutting and dicing all day long. We start off with a ready-made crust. We just have to bake it. It's simple, right there. Boom, done. If you want to make your own crust, you can, and that's perfectly fine. One of the things that I do like to do is I love raisins. Adding raisins to a can mix of apples, apple pie filling really makes a difference. It makes it wow. But the raisins can be a little bit hard, so I like to soak them overnight, or at least for a few hours prior. I like any apple juice. Apple cider is even better, but I have some apple juice. I've been soaking a half a cup of raisins. Make sure you strain it though. We don't want all that extra water, so you have to strain that. Let me strain it now. Hold on. I mean, you can have a little bit of excess apple juice, that's fine, but it's just so they're a little bit softer, the apples, the raisins. This is a store brand apple pie mix. Believe it or not, I've tried other apple pie mix and I liked this one the best. And when I was first trying these types of recipes, I made the mistake of buying fried apples. Oh, I didn't know they were different, but they are. Fried apples are like really overcooked. They're good, but they're not for apple pies. This is really so good. Get everything out of the can. This right here is a 20-ounce, 1 pound, 4 ounce can of apple filling. Here's my half a cup of raisins that have been soaking in apple juice. Then, if you don't like ginger, don't add ginger. I like ginger. It's really good. This is ground ginger. I add just a little bit. I think it's a half a teaspoon of ginger. Oh, I love that spice. Add just a little bit, just a little bit. Then I add cinnamon. You can never have enough cinnamon. So I add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. So good. Booyah. Then you just mix it up. It's that simple. It's so good. Oh my goodness. Your house is going to smell so nice and warm. I know everybody likes to make an apple pie like for the 4th of July and everything like that. To me, apple pie is just a homey thing. You know, all year round you can make an apple pie, winter, summer. It's nice because you can have it when it comes out of the oven and it's so warm. And then you can have it cold too. So you can have it any way you like it. You can always warm it up in the microwave or the oven. Just stir it all together. It looks so good. Nice dark mixture. And you just put it in your pie crust and bake it in the oven. I'm going to make some decorations though, so I'll bring these back in a minute. This tastes really good. We're going to decorate it. This is what it looks like. And Valentine's Day is coming up, so I want to make an apple pie with some hearts on it. I'm going to use an extra pie shell that I have. If you're going to make your own pie shell, you have lots of extra crust. So just take a heart cookie cutter, cut it out. And you put it on your pie. 1 second, because I want to have another one. So cute. Wish I could make 2 big hearts, but you see, I'd rather have a couple of small hearts than ruin it. So, you know what's cute? If you have children, you could put a heart for each child and put their initial on it. That would be so cute. That's a cute idea. This way it's personalized. That's sweet. So the heart in the middle could be for Mom and Dad, and a little heart for all the children. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, we're gonna decorate the pie. Put put the main heart in the middle and little hearts all around. Oh, this is so pretty. Can I squeeze an extra heart? Oh, I want to squeeze an extra heart. Let's see. One more heart. I think I got it. Yes. Nice. Little crooked. Oh no. All right, let's try again. That's okay. We got a piece right here. All right, let's see if we can work it. I know what. Wait. Put it together just a little bit, maybe. Okay. That's not working. Let's see what we can do. Right there, right there, right there. All right, one more. Come on. Got it. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Put it together. Okay. Very pretty. And you know what? I can tuck one in maybe. There we go. For Valentine's Day. Oh my God. We're going to bake it in the oven and we'll be back. Okay, so my oven has been preheated to 400 degrees. I did just prick the pie bottoms with fork holes. Here's my pie before. I have a pizza sheet lined with aluminum foil for any spillage, and we just have to put this in the oven for about 20 minutes, and then it's yummy hot time. This is what we made. Oh my God, it's beautiful. I decorated it with the other pie crust. What I did was I used the other pie crust and I just put the little cookie cutters of the heart and I put them all on it, baked it, and then once it got a little cool, I put the red icing on it for hearts. I think it's such a beautiful idea, and every heart could be for a member of the family, or if you're just having a party, everybody has a, like, you can put the initial of their heart on the heart. It's awesome. It tastes so good. It's easy to make. You can make it year round. It's awesome hot. It's awesome cold. It's freaking awesome. This is the best apple pie you'll ever make. Guaranteed. Please subscribe. Bye. Oh, wow, it just turned on. Okay, don't mind that timer. It has been a cooking, baking kind of a day. Let's try my pie. Look how cute. I didn't drop it. I hate to cut it. It's so pretty with all the decorations. Part of me wishes I kind of put walnuts in that, but okay. It's really good. It's so good. It's really good. The apple, it still has crisp to it. You can hear that? And it's cheap. Very cheap, the filling. Very good. And look at my super plump raisins. That's a raisin. That's what you get when you soak it. Tastes really good. I love my plumped raisins. This girl can cook. I know there isn't anything I can't do. That's true. For real, it's so true. I'm not bragging. I can do anything. I'll do anything. Full of raisins. You really need to add raisins to it. So good. Ice cream would have been good. I'm waiting for a package, aren't I? And a big one too. Oh, I hate to break the heart. Wait. I'm a heartbreaker. Mmm. You cannot go wrong with icing. I bet my tongue is so red now. That's not too bad. Our pie is good. It's easy. It's fun. It's delicious. I highly recommend you use my recipe. It's the best. Oh. Oh, it didn't go off it. Wait. Why didn't it go off? Oh my god. It doesn't want to go off. That's so crazy. Oh boy.